Low quality photos is the problem, but not anymore. I'm going to show you the way to how to enhance and improve the photo quality. Hey guys, I'm Hamza from Android Ultra. I'm back with another video, and this is all about the update regarding the Remini Photo Enhancer in 2024. I tested more than 10 to 15 apps, and believe me, this one is one of the best, most reliable and useful application when it comes to the photo enhancer. And alongside, Remini also introduced some new features we will explore in this video. So let's start from this photo. So we have to select the photo and click on enhance from the home screen, and then this type of interface appear. Remini not only enhance the photo quality, it's also improving the colors and overall details. When it comes to the background, we have also now background blur option available in the bottom, as well as different type of options available, which is new in the recent updates. Let's explore from the background blur. When you click on it, this will take some time, only few seconds, 5 to 10 seconds, and then show you this type of interface. We have disabled option as well here, same and as it is as the original one. And then we have low, medium and high blur options. And the next option is we have colors. If you don't like the color grading or the color enhancement from the Remini app, so you can disable it. And we have different type of 8 colors available according to your preference. Which one do you like? So you can select and export your photo. The next option is the background enhancer. The background is also now Remini app improving, detecting the foreground and background, and then improves the background of your photo. And it's actually works, and I checked out. This is also really useful. By the way, new to my channel, make sure to consider subscribe to appreciate. We have face beautifier as well in the Remini app. When you click on it, we have 3 different type of hairs available, and this is automatically beautify the face, overall facial features as well. Face enhancer enhances the face, and this will not work like a magical. As I said earlier, I tested more than 10 to 15 apps. I have a lot of experience when it comes to the photo enhancer and video enhancer. Not only photos, I have a lot of solution for the videos as well. So Remini is most consistent when it comes to the updates and overall features, new features. This is the video for today. I hope you really like it. Subscribe, like, share with others. See you soon in next video.